In this lesson, we're going to work on a rotation. We're going to rotate a triangle ABC 270 degrees clockwise around the origin, and then we're going to translate it. Okay, and the translation is going to be x plus 2, y plus 2. So all x's will be translated plus 2, all y's will be translated to plus 2. Okay, by plus 2. So a rotation clockwise by 270 degrees is the same as a 90-degree rotation counterclockwise. And if you want a detailed video on this, just take a look at the description. I have a link there to a video that I did that explains that in a lot of detail. So now we work with each point individually and rotate each one first. Okay, so let's do that. So we're going to first work with point A. Here's point A. Point A has unit x and y coordinate -6, 2. You could see -6 and 2. This is the x, this is the y. So now you draw a little box that includes the origin. And now we're going to kick this box counterclockwise by 90 degrees. So we're going to kick it down 90 degrees. So you can imagine kicking it and it ends up like this. So this is attached here. So we could see that this A ends up over here, A prime. And its coordinates are -2, -6. So -2, -6. Now we do the same thing for the other points. Okay, so here we have B, point B, which is at -3, 5, -3, 5. And now we draw the little box around it that includes the origin. Now you can imagine kicking it here, counterclockwise, 90 degrees, and you could see that point B is just going to end up over here. And its coordinates are -5, -3. So we're at -5, -3. Now let's do the same thing for the final point C. C is at 3 and 3, right? 3, 3. Now let's draw our little box, and we're going to kick it 90 degrees counterclockwise. So we're going to kick it like that, right? And so the point for C becomes here, -3, 3. So notice the x and y switch and the x changes sign. So the x and y switch and the x changes sign. So the x and y switch here and the x changes sign. It used to be +2, now it's -2. It used to be 5, now it's -5. It used to be 3, now it's -3. So now we can draw the new triangle that's been rotated. Okay, so there it is. We have our points A, B, and C, and then we just draw it. So point A is at -2, -6. Point B prime is at -5, -3, -5, -3. And point C is at -3, -3, +3. -3, +3. Okay, -3, +3 is C prime. So you just follow these points, the green ones, and plot it. Now add 2 to all x coordinates and all y coordinates. So for all these primes, you add 2 units to it. So A is going to move 2 units this way and then 2 units up. So it ends up at A double prime, which is at 0, -4. Then B, you move it 2 this way and 2 that way. and it ends up at -3, -1, -3, -1. Then you do the same to C. You move it over 2 units right, 2 units up, and C prime now ends up at -1, 5. So now we draw our new final triangle, and that's how it looks. Okay, so this triangle has been rotated clockwise 270 degrees, and it has been translated by 2 units on the X and Y. And that's how you do that problem. Don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video. And again, just check out the description. I have links there to other videos that are similar. And you can download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson in it with a link that'll take you right to this video. You could follow along as you read the ebook. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.